Good afternoon and welcome to the Harbor Hangar. We are going to do something that I am admittedly a little bit nervous about. We're going to run these motors with propellers for the first time for the Giant C47. Got my dad over here, ground crew, helping out, and here is the setup. We got the motor and the prop, ESC. This box is one of the actual boxes, so we got that structure test happening in tandem. This whole thing is on a drawer slide that is a little stiff, but we can measure the static friction there and sort of add that to what we measure with our sensor back there, because it's got to overcome this friction in order to pull on that. So whatever that reads, it'll be that plus the static friction of these drawer slides. That will be the thrust of that beast. Whoa, blown out. So as soon as the batteries are charged and topped off, we're gonna run. Here we go. Oh boy.
What's it reading? 9? Okay.
The flex on that rope, I do not like.
Well, I didn't see it. Which rope? I mean, which,
Well, just watch
the bridles or the main one?
No, the center one.
Just keep going. It's just pulling it. Yeah, it's going to stretch.
That was an ESC cutoff.
Uh-oh. Well, let's see. We're still recording our...
What?
Oh, you know what? We got.
Oh my goodness. If you're doing a thrust test, make sure that your wire is longer than the stretch of your... Yeah.
So, hey...
This stretched, and this pulled out, which stopped the test. All right, we're going to fix that.
Look at the reading. Okay, we're running.
Okay.
Am I recording still?
We're reading a number.
Yeah.
Well, this was a great practice test for the test.
We got some data.
We got some data.
Data is better than no data.
The little luggage scale thing we used for our load cell is old and sad and scared of this motor, apparently, because it got to about 12 pounds. And it has nothing to do with the thrust. It was the vibration of everything. I think it was like literally vibrating the batteries out of their socket.
Could be.
And then it would reset itself. So
It just varies so much that its little processor in there just finally goes tilt
yeah.
and resets. It just went back to turn on.
So the data point we got was about half throttle on about an 80 to 90% charge pack. We got 12 pounds of thrust, which is respectable, I think. It was
So with 2, yeah, 24.
with 2, we got 24. So I think
half the
we're
way
going
of
to
the
be
airplane.
in the safe range for thrust, especially on only a 12S setup. This is what we got here. We got 2 6 cells in series running into a big, slightly oversized 300 amp ESC that probably won't see more than 20 amps. So on 12S, we got about 12 pounds of thrust at half throttle. So if we can expect maybe 20, I know it's not totally perfectly linear.
That means when you run down a runway and you lift off, you can do a vertical climb out for just a few seconds.
Sure. Right. All right, so stay tuned for update when we get a better load cell and we actually do a full throttle test, because we're not there yet, but we'll get there. So thanks for hanging out at the Harbor Hangar. This has been a short update, and thanks, Dad, for helping out.
Can't wait to see. What's how wingspan? 50, 30 feet?
24 feet.
24 feet vertical takeoff? Yes.